Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. Let's talk about unlimited access and why you should even consider. First of all, who is this for? This is for Roblox developers or artists. As you can see, this is more of an investment, and the reason for that is because, so just like a Roblox hat or a stock, you invest at the current price. Now, at one point previously, this bundle was not at 370, it was more like 100 or less. So obviously you can see that we have increased in value as well as members. Let me show you guys how this works. Add to cart right here, enter your email and your zip code. We're just gonna hit pay. Now you can see you get access to all of this stuff right here. Beautiful. So if we go for the vector icon pack, you can see it opens up all of the content right here, which you can download. Now, if you wish to re-access all of your items, head over to gumroad.com and you want to create an account using the same email that you use on your purchase. Alright guys, that is gonna be it. I seriously hope you consider investing into the unlimited access pack because it will support us. We're just going to continue growing. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.